Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 5. We are now officially more than a quarter way through the semester, which is amazing to me. And I hope you guys are really proud because you're doing a great job. I want to just give you a few reminders about what's coming up and then a little preview of what we're going to be working on this week. So, first of all, this is the week where we get to have our actual in-person, outdoor, safe class period. I know many of you don't live here or you're working or you're taking care of kids and you won't be able to make it. But if you are able to make it, I'll be really happy to see you. The two time periods for that are this coming Tuesday, the 22nd from 2 to 4, and this coming Thursday, the 24th from 12 to 2. We'll be outside the library and I think you'll see me. We're going to be sitting on the ground, so bring whatever will make you comfortable. I'll have spots marked, but I'm asking people to please wear a mask anyway. And we're going to use the time to review body paragraph structure, look at a model body paragraph, and then you'll have the time to work, and I can help you with your paragraphs. Okay, please send me an email. Some of you have already sent me an email saying you're going to be able to be there. Please send me an email if you're planning to attend. Just that will help me do some planning. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is the due dates for Essay 1. Remember that your thesis is due tomorrow evening at 11 p.m. That's in the module for last week. It's a discussion and it says, post your thesis here, exclamation mark. Body paragraph 1 with your seed harvest, you already did that. You posted that on Friday. I'm going to be looking at those starting today. I'm looking at them much more quickly than I looked at your original seed harvests. I'm hoping that you read my feedback on your harvests and you made them perfect. And then you added in that pre-harvest explanation and a wrap-up. So I'll be looking at those. Your introduction with your thesis statement, your revised thesis, will be due this coming Wednesday. I'll be giving you feedback on your thesis statement. Starting next week, we're going to have some Zoom conferences. It means I'll be meeting with each of you individually for probably about 10 minutes. And you will you will read your draft to me, the full draft, the complete draft. After that, you'll do a quick self-review. It's kind of like a peer review, but you're doing it for your own paper. And then the final version of Essay 1 will be due the 12th. We will be starting Unit 2 before Essay 1 is due, just for time's sake. So that's something to think about too. Okay, here's the module. Again, the thesis is due Monday, so I'm back up in, my cursor's back up in last week. There's another Essay 1 due dates, just in case you need to check that out. And then check-in number 4 is due tonight at 11. But here's the week where we are. There isn't a lot in this. I may add things to this week, but right now there's your introduction and body paragraph 2 that's due. And then there's a spot for you to upload the complete draft of your essay. I'll also be creating a sign-up sheet for the conferences. I may put that in this week as well. And I'll let you know that when I do the midweek check-in. Okay, I think that's it. I do have a lot of grading to catch up on. So if you're not seeing assignments graded, it's because I haven't done them yet. It's been more important to me to work on reading your paragraphs and your actual work than to enter grades into the gradebook. Okay. I just see this little sound thing. What is that? Okay. Hopefully there's sound on this video. Have a good week. I'll see you soon.